Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In my last video, we went on a shopping trip at Cleef and Arpels and checked out many beautiful jewelry. If you haven't checked out that video, I will link it up above for you. I got this pair of ear studs just before the price increase. I was expecting a crowd at the boutique, but it was empty when I was there. I suppose a lot of people already did their shopping on the weekend before, and so when I went on a weekday, it was quite quiet. While I had some peace and was able to take my time to choose the right pair I wanted, a lot of popular pieces were either in limited quantity or completely sold out. For items which were out of stock, my SA offered to reserve for me while I paid a small deposit. Fair enough, so I did go for that option for another VCA item. I will be doing an unboxing when I get the item. If you are interested, do subscribe to my channel so you get the notification right away. Without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. This velvet jewelry box feels so soft and luxurious. As you would have already known, I bought a pair of sweet Alhambra onyx ear studs in yellow gold. I love the shape of the clover. If you are new to Cleef and Arpels, I will highly recommend that you consider getting a pair of ear studs as your first item for 3 reasons. Number 1. Get the VCA look with its relatively pocket-friendly price compared with other VCA ear studs and earrings. While there are cheaper VCA items such as the sweet Alhambra bracelet and necklace to consider, I feel that the size of the sweet Alhambra motif is too small when worn on the neck and the wrist. Whereas when it comes to the earlobe, the size of this ear stud actually appears to fit quite nicely. Number 2. Cost per wear. Since it is dainty and lightweight, it becomes a good choice for everyday wear. You are definitely on your way to getting the most bang for your buck. Number 3. If you are getting onyx, which is known to be a more durable gemstone, you are more likely to wear it for as many times as you wish to without worrying too much about its maintenance. Wearing it is not as straightforward if you haven't been exposed to this type of locking mechanism. You have to press these 2 sides of the stopper and gently push the ear stud into it. When it is locked in place, and if you are satisfied with it, release your fingers and it will stay in position. I like this added security to make sure that the ear studs and stopper will not fall apart easily. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!